We get a lot of samples here at Goody Reader. More so than we know what to do with. At the end of each video, we'll give the item away. This is Unboxing ePaper. Hello everybody, this is Peter from GoodyReader.com and this is Unboxing ePaper. It is 2024. I don't know how many episodes we've done so far. I love doing this segment. Whether it's received well or not, it gives me a second to just stop doing the usual script reading and just the revolving door of reviews that we do. I'm not saying I don't respect the process. I do. It's just nice to change it up. What do you have? If you're kicking off the year with a thermometer, I'm gonna be peeved. Hit me with it. Oh, that was a floater. That was a floater. It came in this DHL thing, but it didn't come in this, did it? No, because it's not. It's a thermometer. You guys are lucky. Guess what you're getting? Another thermometer. Okay, this is the, excuse my pronunciation, Ching Ping or King Ping or Quing Ping. I do not know the exact pronunciation. I'll probably say it when we get over to the review table. This is a temperature monitor, but it also says it's an RH monitor. Do they mean it's a hygrometer as well? I have no, yes it is. Oh, and okay, it has historical data. Okay, well, let's do it. Yay! I don't mean to be overly sarcastic, but we've done a lot of temperature sensors, man. Thermometers, hygrometers, temperature sensors. We've done it all. I am literally going to talk to the team after this, and we are going to revise our approach when it comes to these units. I mean, come on. It's nice that, you know, the guys bring them in and it's all fun and everything, but come on, enough's enough. You know, this does look pretty nice. And you know what I realized before we went over to the review table here? These are the same guys that made the Lee's guitar e-ink temperature sensor for the guitar, so you can see that in the end roll. We'll put it there. It looks like you have desktop mode, insert or replace battery, wall mode, and how to connect to Apple Home. This isn't shabby. I'm just kind of being colorful when I film here, but this isn't a shabby product. These guys are fairly big and they make a wide variety of units. It's also pretty heavy, which I actually appreciate. I don't like very lightweight, overly lightweight technology because you end up kind of wondering where your money's going at times. It looks like you have, oh, that is so, I love that. All right. So what you would do is you get these two CR2430 batteries and you put them in here in the back. They both go in there and they stack on top of each other right there, and it has a little door that fell off, but you put that back on and then you place this on the wall, and then once the batteries are in, you would simply just put it on there and away you go. And you know what? Because we're giving this away, watch batteries last a long time. Let's just install them and we'll let you guys handle it when you guys receive it. All right, I have something to admit. I tried putting two batteries in there, which is why it took 4 minutes. This is an extra battery. You don't need both of them. But anyways, let's see how it works. Do we have a button? We have to have a button. This has to be a button. It does, because it has to have a Fahrenheit toggle. I mean, there aren't even any countries in the world that use Fahrenheit anymore outside of, what, Myanmar, Liberia, America, Northern Ireland? One of them. Ireland or Northern Ireland. Leave a comment down below. I'm not sure which one, but... Oh, and Liberia. Did I say that? I don't know. So the button doesn't seem to toggle anything, but it is working and it is on. All right, well, we got 51.9 degrees Fahrenheit with 77% humidity. I know 32 is frozen, is freezing, and then everything, I don't know the conversion. It's getting less and less useful to know Imperial because well, just the lack of usability around the world. This is really cool. This is very high quality. Everything's very tightly built, tightly tooled. It has accompanying applications. We're not going to go into any of that. We're just going to send this to you guys. And it's got a very nice stand. And you know what? Desktop mode works well pretty instantly because you just put it on your desk. I think this is one of the nicest looking ePaper devices we've gotten in a while. And also, they didn't cheat it. This is a circular screen. There's no way you could have even had enough bezel to make it square, which is why I really appreciate the fact that this is a true circle. This needed to be designed and programmed to only display itself on this little circle, which I very much appreciate. I think this is a very solid product. No, they're not paying us. No, we're not affiliated with these guys. But honestly, as it comes when it comes to temperature sensors, hygrometers, thermometers. This is one of the higher quality ones. In terms of aesthetics, it's pleasing but simple. It's a circle that does have a wall mount magnet port that you can perceivably mount several of those around your house and move the one unit around as you see fit, so it gets a 4 out of 5. Use is subjective because its use case is a thermometer, and it does it. That's it. But in terms of anything else it can do, it can't do anything, although it does come with an application, so it's a split decision, and we'll give it a 3 out of 5. Cost is pretty generous at only $30 for a company that has collaborations with other bigger brands such as Lee's Guitars, and it's not going to break the bank, but it's not the cheapest impulse item in the world, so it gets a 4 out of 5. Overall, should I make a solemn swear never to have another temperature sensor on this channel? I'm not sure, but for now, this thing does its job properly and has a wide array of variations if you head over to their website. You know, I'm half joking and I'm half not joking when I do this series. It is very fun for me to do this, and it breaks the norm and it mixes things up. But when our team sends me nothing but thermometers and hygrometers, we're going to have a staff meeting for 2024. We're going to keep this series going, but let's mix it up a little bit. Maybe explore Taobao or Bilibili or JD or AliExpress, something that just doesn't, it's not more monitors. But either way, thanks. Either way, the top 50 comments on this video will be eligible for the contest. If you guys don't want it and you just want to comment, say, hey, I'm just here to comment, don't enter me into the mix. We will announce the winner a few days after we comb through all the bot accounts and the fake kind of 1, 2, 3 YouTube buy views from us kind of thing. So yeah, we'll get it over to you guys. It's free shipping. You probably won't have to pay tax or anything like that because, well, obviously it's a sweepstakes unit. So we sealed it back up with a little piece of tape and it's all yours. Thanks for watching.